holidays and Merry Christmas to you and yours. For me and the Boone'S all family. Right now, man, we're down in the country. It all started from, for me, out way in the boonies. Get that? You get that? Okay, but yeah, anyway, so man, right now, man, we out, man. I got a new unit that I just added to the channel. Actually, it's for my son's channel also, which is the Braidway. Y'all go subscribe today. By the way, I'm dropping a link in the description. I told y'all, I said if he got up his subscribers, I will start posting videos for him. So that's where we're at now. Without further ado, let me show you his new unit, which is so I really haven't named it yet. It's kind of growing on me. It's green, but here it is. It's a KX65. Nice little swift little bike, man. Hey, I like it a lot though. It got a lot of little power, a lot of little kick to it, a lot of little man. Real and really aggressive for his age group. But man, he was riding since he was about the age of 4 or 5. So it's something new, man. Hopefully we can make some good content with it. I like riding it actually myself. Right now we got a little bit going on with him and his uncle Bob, which is my brother. He'll be out here very short. Thing with Bob. Bob is my older brother. We're about 2-3 years apart, maybe. Braylon's only 10 years old. So we're gonna try the Raptor 250, which is also Braylon's, against his new unit, the KX65. We're actually gonna try to see how this turns out. We're gonna see if Bob can actually outrun his nephew. And if he can't, this would be sad, like really sad. I mean, Bob doesn't ride as much as I do. I mean, but you know, that's kind of one of those situations. But at the same time, Braylon only been on this earth for 10 years. So how the hell could you not outrun a 10-year-old? So let's see how this turns out. Here's the stick. Can you outrun your 10-year-old nephew?
Oh, yeah.
Think you can outrun your Uncle Bob? Bob.
Yeah.
So how do you explain if you get beat by a 10-year-old?
Well, I ain't got to explain getting beat by a 10-year-old because the 10-year-old can't beat me no way. You see what I'm saying? Ain't it right, Brad? You don't think so? I beat you up. You think I can beat you up? What? 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 What?
Which one you like better? The dirt bike, the four. Which one you like better?
Dirt bike.
Why?
Clutch.
You think you'll beat Russ Bob? You about to get this on in a few minutes. Okay, here's the race, people. Let's see how this is gonna work. I'm ready? Brandon beat him, didn't he?
Put it on him, boy.
Brandon beat him, didn't he?
Yeah, he beat it.
I told you.
He come back on it, didn't he?
That motorcycle ride. That motorcycle riding.
If he keep it real up, that thing got some power.
That joker move.
I got him while I go to that for. You don't like that.
Hey, look what you was on. And look what you was on. He can get close, but he can't beat him. Alright, Ryan too. Boone and Braylon again. Boone got his ass to him. Rematch! Hey, he know how to bail off that on it. Test room. He ready, Cam.
Alright, here we go. Ready now? Ready?
The rematch.
You know what, man? Take it. Now get him up there. Now, get him up there. Yeah, get him up there. Get him up there. Get that thing.
He hey.
He talking about the hole, didn't he?
Yeah. He missed. Braylon missed the get. Braylon missed the get. Yeah.
Alright, run that front.
Okay, now. Couldn't Mike go on the wrist. I really don't know how this is gonna turn out. Jason gonna drop his ass off. Hold on, hold on. Oh, shut. What up, YouTube? Welcome back. It feels good to be back. As you just saw, that was my way of trying to save Russ Ball's ass. Both of us got our ass handed to about a 10 year. A 10 year. But hey man, I get a lot of times in the comments, man, people been asking me, boom, where's the upload? Where's the content? Where's the uploads? Man, in a nutshell, what's been happening to me, man, it's been life. Life has been happening from the weather. I mean, it's been raining for the past 2 months at least, just every weekend. Every weekend, just rain. I don't know what the hell it come from, just rain. On the side of that, I had a grandma that passed, man. Actually 1 week before Christmas, that happened. Then also trying to be a parent and a father, man. Around the holidays, so spending a lot of time with my kids also. So they've been out of school, so I've been doing that a lot of times with them also, man. But I'm back, better than ever. I decided to take a little break. You know, sometimes you need a little break aside from all of this or what's going on. Because sometimes my schedule can be real hectic, man. So I actually took some time off, man. I really feel bad about doing it because I feel like I deprived you guys of the content, man. I know a lot of times, a lot of you guys look forward to these videos. So I'm back better than ever, man. We're going into 2020 stronger than ever, man. I got car content like I promised a couple months back. I've been doing a lot of things with my cars. I got quad, dirt bike content, paintball content on the way, traveling content, man. 2020, man, I'm going harder than ever, harder than I ever went in the past 2 years that I've been doing this, man. And this is where we at now. Well, right now, as a matter of fact, my boy Rico Suave, as you've seen in a couple other videos way back, he's on the way over so we can install his new exhaust that he just got for his 2015 450X. He should be pulling up in a minute now, and we're gonna install that. But man, like I said, man, I appreciate you guys being patient with me, staying down, staying loyal. Like I said, 2020 we're going in strong. We'll do it better than ever, and we're gonna start off on a good note. And by the way, I think that's him now. So man, we're gonna get out of here and go and do this install real quick, man. And I'll catch you on the next video after this. Rico, what year did dirt bike is? It's an X, right?
Project X. Yeah.
Okay, so we got a Yoshimura exhaust about to install today. So we got the basic stickers. We got, I don't know what this is. It's in the bag, but we'll check it out in a minute. We got the this is a slip-on or what's it called? Is this a slip-on or a full exhaust system? Then we got the mid pipe. No, that's a head pipe. Then we got all these fairings, as you can see right there. Side fairing, we're gonna remove the head pipes. God damn! Woo! Somebody burnt the shit. Dumbass! Burnt the shit out of me. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna remove the mid pipe, and then we're gonna install it all. So far we got the side cover off, we're loosening the silencer, and well, we don't have a mid pipe yet, but we got this all loose already. So now, about to take this to Rico pull. Damn stupid.
You just said turn. You mean?
So then you take I think a 12 millimeter. 12 millimeter rank. Loosen the head pipe. So that's your head pipe. Yeah, Rico.
Appreciate it, G.
Press the well, yeah. All right, keep on recording. Above the camera, cause see how dumb you look behind the damn camera. Yeah, treat yourself out. So right now, is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. So we got this bag full of. So we got exhaust plug. Man, they gave you one of these, Rico. That's some bullshit.
I'm sporty here.
The fuck? Exhaust cover. Heat shield. You gotta put on your exhaust pipe. If it's anything like mine, y'all can go check out my other video when I installed it on my CRL 450. Oh, this is an X. Then you got your mid pipe. Then you got your head pipe. So we're going to go ahead and install this right here. You got your silencer. But before we go ahead and, I hate to do this sometimes, but you have to touch it. Sometimes leave fingerprints on your exhaust. But hey, it's just part of the game. Come on, Rico.
What?
The camera can see your dumb ass. All right, come on. Okay, so first thing first we want to do is pretty much line everything up. You don't want to tighten everything down before you got it all aligned. Go ahead and start your head bolts on it. That way you don't have to worry about that later on. Get them snug, not too snug, just enough snug so you still have a little movement. Okay, now shine it on me, stupid. Okay, so now what you gonna do now? You can take your mid pipe, stick it in here. Hey, I want to do. I need. No, I don't think I do though. I probably need to talk. Probably should just slide right on. And that'll, and this is slide right back on. And see the line up again. You see how easy that is? So now we got it set up, almost enough. Now hold up now. On to the last phase. What is this, the RS2? So now Rico, before we even start this, do you want to use the core silence or what? You want it to be quiet or loud? Which one you want?
Nah, I prefer it to be loud. I don't want to be.
It ain't like we care about noise ordinance anyway.
I'm trying to tell you.
Look who just pulled up. Thick nasty.
Believe it.
Oh yeah. So now we got it lined up. So now, you know what we got to do now on the Drew,
Yeah, put the springs in there, all that good stuff on there.
Very good. Work on your colors tomorrow. You gotta hook them springs up like that, right? So hook that one the same way. I like to go under with mine. So that way you don't run the risk of them popping. Oh shit. Hook it. And this is the spring tooth for. Pretty straightforward install here or swap back. Take it. Then after that, you're gonna take this, which is your rubber grommet, stick it between the hole. All right, so then once you get the rubber grommet in, we're gonna take this, you can do it either way. You can stick it straight through like this, or you can go from the back side. I always go from the top side down, because you already know it has a wide surface. Mine too on the other side.
No dirt bike swab here.
Huh?
Believe it.
All right, remember people, you do not want to over tighten these bolts. If you over tighten, you can pull the studs out your head. And that's pretty much it.